Hi guys, so this one is the first car that you want to check, like this ES350 model 2016. For the interior it's fine, totally fine. The airbag didn't come out, the side door panel is fine for the both side driver and the passengers. The back side full leather interior, that's looking good. But for the rear bumper it totally have to change it. Yeah, that came accident. This one is Hyundai Kona model 2022, red color. You can see from the back side is totally fine. From the sides also it was good. From the sides was good. From the back side is okay. The rear bumper is fine. This one in the interior. For the interior, totally black. Airbags didn't come out. But let's see here. The front bumper totally have to change. The chassis is fine, but the front bumper have to change. Then in here we have Camry LE 2016 2.5 front wheel drive, 15,500. As you can see, the airbags come out, but the side door panel is fine. The rear bumper have to change, even the fender. The rear fender left side have to change. The right side one is fine, is okay. Let's see here, all the airbags come out, all of them came out, and the interior is totally black. So this one is the Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 2018 2.5 all-wheel drive, 17,500. As you can see, totally damaged. If you want, you cannot open the door, that's why I opened the rear door. Interior is looking awesome, but the airbags come out, all of the airbags come out, so you have to replace all the airbags. The rear fender you have to change it, but the bumper is fine, just the fender and that design of him. The side door panel totally gone. So in here we have Infiniti Q70 2019 3.7 all-wheel drive. The price of this one 23,500. Interior is fine, side panel is okay. The airbag didn't come out. From the back side, as you can see here, all of them, the interior is totally black, is fine, but the rear bumper and the lights, everything, you have to put the new one, so all of them you have to change it. 2019 23,500, but the price is good. Interior also good, the airbag didn't come out. So this one we have Audi Q5 2017, price 16,500, 2.5 front wheel drive. Interior totally black, the airbag didn't come out, and the side door panel is totally fine. The dashboard, everything, the leather seat, comfortable. The condition is good right now. The back side is okay. The sides, the fender, right side fender, and also the door have to change. The mirror, side mirror, the front defender also have to change it. So in here we have Kia Sorento LX 2021 2.5 front wheel drive, 23,500 is the price. The rear, totally rear, you have to build it up again, totally damaged. The rear fender also you have to change it, but the front side is fine. And the airbag didn't come out. In here we have Mercedes-Benz model 2011 seats, airbag, panels, door panels, all of them. Many scratches on the seat actually. Rear fender and rear bumper, both of them you have to change. In this video maybe you cannot see properly, but it has many job to do. A lot of things you have to fix for this car, and also it has engine problem. So now Sonata 2.4 liter 2016 front wheel drive, 16,500. Interior, as you can see, looking awesome. Side panels was perfect. The rear bumper is fine, totally okay. The color is fine. Situation of this one is good. Engine and the gearbox was fine, both. In here we have Altima 2014 2.5 front wheel drive, only 2,500. The interior is looking good. The airbag didn't come out. The side panels are fine, totally fine. The front side is okay, but the rear bumper you have to change with the fender. with both sides. Maybe you cannot see properly in the video, but both sides you have to change them. And the gearbox of this one also is not working, but the engine is fine. The gearbox totally you have to change it. The front side, the front bumper also you have to change totally. And this one, GMC Acadia Denali 2014 3.6 all-wheel drive. The price only 6,500. The engine you have to repair it. The gearbox is fine, and it has a paint problem, but in the video maybe you cannot see it properly. And the front bumper and front fender, then you need condenser. All of them you have to keep them, but the interior is fine. The door panels are okay. The airbag didn't come out. It doesn't have electric problems. But as I said, the engine has a problem. You have to fix the engine. And the color full body you have to paint. Actually, the full body you have to paint is the main part that you have. Expenses all is in here. And here we have Hyundai Sonata 2017 2.4. It's not full option. Door panel is fine. Airbag didn't come out. Interior is beige color. That's looking good. And the rear bumper, rear fender, all of them are fine. But again, this one, it has a gearbox problem. You have to fix the gearboxes. So the right fender and totally the bumper, yes, the front side, but